What's up, guys? We're back with another video. This is gonna be.
Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell no, man.
Oh! So this is gonna be the video intro for right now, because it's kind of how. Just deal with it, okay? All right. So basically, in this video, we're just checking out the new update, the volcano update. So sorry for not posting Gorilla Tag in a while. All my videos have been corrupting. Hopefully, this one doesn't corrupt.
His homework. He had like 8 hours of study like 2 days ago.
Also that.
I don't know.
But that's not that much. Dude, you're spoiling it.
What do
I
you
haven't
mean
seen
it's
the
not
bonus.
that much?
Compared to high schoolers, they probably work 10 hours.
Are you in high school?
I still have like 2 years. Alright, so I'm checking out the new volcano update. Sorry for missing a couple updates, because my videos kept corrupting and homework. So yeah, we're just gonna go check out the new update. Alright, let's go. Come on, come on.
Look, look. You see these? Look at these rocks. Look at these rocks. You see these? Grab them. Okay. Drop the rocks down. Hey, look. If you touch the lava, you get tagged. So run away.
Here, wait. I get tagged?
Lava.
Oh, wait! Yo, that's sick! Yo!
And also, if you touch the lava, you turn into a lava monkey.
That
And
is
look at the
sick.
graphics. Look at the monkey graphics. Like, you see, like there's an outline on the other monkeys. Oh,
Oh no!
that's the lava. Ready?
How long until the lava goes away?
It normally takes like 10 minutes.
First, let's go to mountains. I mean canyons. Nothing. Alright, here, wait. I gotta check out the forest map one more time.
Oh, go on this for a while.
Oh! That's sick. I have frostbite. Bro, Gorilla Tag's getting too real. Hold on. Let's go back up here and see who can throw snowballs farther. Take one, throw it. Do it again. Oh yeah? I'm so excited.
Oh, there's nothing in caves. I already checked.
You don't have to spoil it, bro. Yo! Why do I look like this? Why do you look like that? Hold on, what happens if you go in the water for too long? Nothing? Oh my gosh! There's a crystal!
No, take it.
Okay, time for the cosmetics. Oh wait, no, clouds. I literally forgot clouds existed.
I don't want to do this no more.
Anything new up there?
Yeah, the new thing is that you're up here. Okay, let's go. Wait.
Bruh.
Whoa! Oh. What?
Look, there's a free badge right here. This update is only gonna be out for a day.
Oh my god. Dude, I
There's
want
gonna be
this.
exclusive. There's gonna be exclusive comment.
Yo!
Bandhammer.
Bro, they made this
Also,
thing
you
so
can make like a really, you can do a really cool edit like this. So like you're undercover, right? You do like a really cool edit with this, like. Ugh, like. You're unforgettable, Ponzi losing, and he's on top.
What am I, bro?
Let's find the girls. I forget.
It's so hot out here. Almost as hot as me. I know, I have one of these from the summer flashback. Or summer.
I know,
not
but
flashback.
paintball, idiot.
Okay.
Get the chili pepper.
Yo, that's sick. You know how shells always sound like the ocean? They have a lava shell. If
Yeah.
you put it up to your ear, sounds like lava.
Oh, I thought
Actually,
you-
try it. The amount of detail, bro.
Eat it. Just keep eating it. Just keep eating it.
Gotta make it hotter. Look, he's flying away. Ready? Check this out. Where did you go? Ready? He's gonna fly away with his mouth. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe. And yeah. I'll see you next time I upload.